Good to see you all, everybody, all Dhamma lovers. Warmly welcome from a Dhamma lover from Ogre Island, mostly Myanmar's social media channels and pages. Today, I want to share about the Dhamma talk of the Buddha to you all. Is that from the Tipitaka Pali, Khuddaka Nikaya, Dhammapada Pali, Vaggo, the best. The first Dhamma talk is that in Pali, in Myanmar Pali voice, please listen. Mano Pobingama Dhamma, Mano Titha, Mano Maya, Manata se, Badotina, Padatiwa, Karotiwa. The Donam, Dokamanuiti, Sakanwa, Wahado Badem. Okay, now, International Pali voice, Roman Pali, in English. Manopo Bingama Dhamma, Manosita, Manomaya, Manasa se, Badotena, Basativa, Karotiva. The Donam, Dokamanuiti, Jakanwa, Wahado Badem. It means that the Buddha's talk. We all have not the bhikkhu monks, not have the nuns, not have men or women or children like that. It's there in the Pinyati, it's the Pramata, there is no anything at all. There is only have the Buddha said is the material and the mental. It means called in Pali we call Rupa and Nama. In Burmese called Yog Nam. So there are two kinds. And also at the Khanda, in Pali we call Khanda. Khanda is there are 5 kinds of Khanda is Rupa Khanda, Vedana Khanda, Sanya Khanda, Sankhara Khanda and Vedana Khanda. Vijnana Khanda, sorry. The first one, Rupa Khanda, means is called the material cases. There are only one Rupa Khanda, and the others 4 is the Nama Khanda. In the 4 Nama Khandas, there are number 2, 3, 4, such as Vedana Khanda, Sanya Khanda, Sankhara Khanda is not a consciousness, not a mind, not a nama. These are nama khanda, but there is not a mind and not consciousness. There is a chitasika. Chitasika, there are 3. And the last one, number 5, is vijnana khanda, means is the consciousness. This is called mind. So most of our venerable Sayadaw explain about that there is not a mind, it's a consciousness. So in here I explain as the mind. So the meanings of this gatha, Manopo Vingama Dhamma Manosita Manomiya, this gatha meanings is that the last one, Nama Khanda, the last one is the Vijnana Khanda, is mind. Mind precedes all mental states. Mind is their chief. Their chief means all chitasika. There are 52 chitasika. Vedana Khanda means Vedana's chitasika. Sanya Khanda means Sanya's chitasika. Except from Vedana Sanya, there are, all of them is 52. There are, except from Vedana and Sanya, there are 50. These all 50 are Sankhara Khanda. These all 52 is the Chitasika. This Chitasika's chief is the mind. Do you understand that? Okay. Mind is their chief. They are all mind robbed. If with an impure mind a person speaks or acts, in Burmese we call, in Pali we call Kayakam. Kayakama means like a physical doings, such as you beat others, you punch others like that. It's a physical behavior. If you act like that, if you speak, you shout other very angrily and you say the rude words like that is speaks. So a person with an impure mind speaks or acts, they were all suffering, and these all bad things will follow him or her. Will follow him or her. The Buddha's here giving the example like that. The wheel that follows the foot of the ox, the foot of the cow. The cow is going in front and behind one. They carry how can I say that? They carry the loads. Is their wheels. The wheels follows the foot of the cow, the foot of the ox. Very good example and very clear one. So sorry about my explanation. That is the first time I record it, and I'm not mature. So please be patient. Thank you for your attention. Now I'm sharing this Dhamma talk to you all is about the Dhammapada Pali, Yamaka Vagga the pairs. The first one, Buddha talk. So the conclusion is with this Dhamma talk. Manopo Vingama Dhamma, Manot Siddha Manomaya, Manasase Padotina, Pasativa Karotiva, Tatonan Dokha Manuiti, Jakkanva Vahato Badya. So, all Dhamma lovers from all over the world, not only in our Myanmar Burmese, but also all over the world, all Dhamma lovers, we should do and we should act or we should speak not only with not with their impure mind. We all should speak or act or anything speaking. We should do with our pure mind, our pure consciousness. So, not the bad things follows us. The good things will follow behind us. Such as like an example of the wheat that follows the foot of cow or the foot of ox. This is the Buddha's talk at the Tipitaka Dhammapada. I'm sharing to you all as a Dhamma donation. May you all be peaceful, safe, healthy, wealthy, and can get until the Nirvana. You all trying to be the best with the Vipassana and Satipatthana meditations. May you all be peaceful. See you in the next Dhamma videos. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.